In 1994, one of the controversial studies published by the Harvard Business Review concluded that on top of technical expertise, one other physical attribute that American CEOs have makes them get promoted to positions faster than the ordinary ones. Can you make a guess what that is? It's a physical attribute. On top of technical expertise. Glasses, not quite, but that's a very good answer because it makes you look like you're smarter. So this is something that you don't wear. It's something that you innately possess. Yes? What? Height is the correct answer. Right? It's interesting. So in the Harvard Business Review study, and again, can I make a disclaimer here? On top of technical expertise, which means you can't just be one just because you're tall. You also have to be damn smart and good about it. So the interesting thing here is that height makes you look more commanding and authoritative. We will rarely hear someone who says, I wish I was shorter. It's mostly, I wish I was taller, right? And height makes you look like you can protect other people from harm. So height is might.